over. I mean, they didn't even tell us who murdered the Queen.
It's all good. Look, the next episode starts in 2019, 18.
Should we watch it? Or should we do what we normally do on a Friday night?
Oh. I like the sound of that. Take this party upstairs, have a little upstairs fun, and then maybe come back down to watch the next episode.
Yes. Or maybe we just do this one while we're down here, then we head upstairs and do the thing that we love to do.
Yes. We quickly find out who murdered the Queen, then head upstairs to murder our Queen bed.
Totally. Yes. We do one, no more than 3 episodes, then we go upstairs and we work our way through that 100 pack of Kirkland brand condoms.
It's started.
That's a sign.
You know what? We should have sex now, or we want to do it.
I totally agree. I'm just going to go wolf down a bit of that garlic bread so it's not just on your breath. You know what we need to do to set the mood? We need some tunes. Alexa, play Peter's new sex mix.
Oh, a new one? Did you dare to come out with a new album?
God, I wish.
Playing BBC News at 6.
No. I said Peter's new sex mix.
Every day, 12-year-old Ekhemer must walk through her violence-soaked village, avoiding the same rebels who raped and murdered her mother.
God.
Alexa, shut up, Alexa, right now.
Ding dong!
Damn it! Who the hell is this? I mean, who even uses doorbells anymore?
It's probably just a neighbor, or one of those blue apron deliveries that we always throw away.
At this hour? It's 8:06 p.m. Oh my god, it's only 8:06 p.m.
Ding dong!
What's up with the fists, Peter?
We probably won't need it. But there's a bad guy over there. I'm already halfway to a punch.
That makes 0 sense.
You'll be thanking me when the second half of this punch saves our lives.